Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sunila Kamar from BSBT and my topic is application of machine learning. Applications of machine learning in biotechnology. Machine learning can have a transformative impact on biotechnology. There are many ways and many areas where biotech companies can leverage, uh, give maximum advantage to the machine learning and enrich their work. Biotechnology firms are now realizing the value that machine learning can bring to their entire business in the form of crucial prediction, expanding accessibilities, efficient decision making, cost effectiveness. While PricewaterhouseCoopers estimate that it will contribute to the global output with $15.7 trillion by 2030, a survey of pharma and life sciences experts relieved that 44% were using machine learning in their R&D activities. R&D activities are those activities which are based upon research and development. Agri branches. Agricultural biotechnology. Agriculture biotechnology develops genetically modified plants to increase crop or produce new characteristics to the existing plant. It involves conventional plant breeding, tissue culture, micropropagation, molecular breeding, and genetic engineering of plants. Biotechnology firms are now leveraging machine learning techniques to develop and program autonomous robots that handle important agriculture tasks like harvesting crops at a much faster pace than humans. Computer vision and deep learning algorithms are relieved to process and analyze the data captured by the drones. This helps in monitoring crop and soil health. Machine learning algorithms help in the tracking and predicting various environmental changes like the weather changes that impacts the crop yield. Biotechnology. Medical biotechnology uses living cells for the betterment of human health by producing drugs and antibiotics. It also involves the study of DNA and genetically manipulates the cells to increase the production of important and beneficial characteristics. Animal biotechnology. This branch applies molecular biological techniques to genetically engineer or modify the animals to improve their sustainability to pharmaceutical, industrial, or agriculture purposes. Breeding of animals is one area where artificial intelligence and machine learning models provide valuable insight. Selective breeding is a very common practice where animals with the most desirable characteristics are bred with each other so that their offspring will also result in the same traits. This practice is implemented on the molecular level to where genetic characteristics among the animals are selected and such animals are bred. Machine learning helps in understanding the genomic and making informed decisions and enhancing the capability of scientists in predicting the expressions of those genes. Industrial biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology is all about the biopolymer substitutes. The invention in various areas like vehicles parts, fluid, fuels, fibers, new chemicals, and the production process. Internet of uh, Internet of Things (IoT), machine learning, and artificial intelligence analyze the machine, predicts outage, optimize equipment, etc. to provide efficient production and better product quality. Computer aided design and machine learning are coming up with the desired molecule design. Robotics and machine learning cultivate the strains and test to what extent the desired molecule was reached. Application, applications of machine learning in biochemistry. Machine learning system that helps to design biochemical pathways. When it comes to biochemical pathways, there may be several routes to get the chemical compound an organism needs. Bioautomata and autonomous machine learning system was able to learn, design, build, and test the biochemical pathways, which may result in a red pigment found in tomatoes known as lysophil. This experiment is one of many that proves the machine learning can help in biosynthetic pathways in gene. Integration of machine learning in cancer's genomics. Cancer is a disease caused by the alternation of genomes, which results in the abnormal behavior of cells. Machine learning is being used to sort through the large amount of data available, generate treatment plans, including the effects of treatment, and lots more. Finding the link between genes and disease with the help of machine learning. With the help of machine learning, we can also find the link between the genes and disease. Machine learning helps in processing and recognizing patterns in data. With these patterns, we could find the gene alternation that results in a disease. Machine learning can be used to predict protein structures. uh, it is very useful to machine learning is also very useful to predict protein structures. Proteins are building blocks of a lot of cells. The shape of these proteins are important, and these are determined by the amino acids. Amino acids are which from those which they are made of. Google's AlphaFold and other have been able to predict the 3D structures of proteins from their amino acids. Let's fast forward a bit by saying this could be useful for the development of targeting drugs, gene therapies, etc. Machine learning and sugars. Well, machine learning algorithms have been trained on the data that could give personalized blood sugar predictions based on a person's age, fitness, and other factors which help with the managing diabetes. Machine learning applications of machine learning in chemistry. Chemical synthesis are generally designed by the practitioners with the years or advanced training and experience are carried out in a trial and error, labor intensive fashion. The synthesis development are often uh, unreliable, difficult to scale, and frequently require re-optimization or redevelopment. We aim to we aim to revolutionize chemical synthesis, design, and development by the offering an integrated approach to the synthesis of an organic target molecule. The knowledge-based computational synthesis route design the platform integrate retrosynthesis tools, machine learning, and computational characteristic tools for the reaction pathway identification, scoring, and selection. The system will enable offers to focus on target selection rather than on weeks, months, or years of efforts now needed to transform a chemical idea into reality. Also integral to to drug development efforts in the development of robust structure, properly relationship to predict biological activities and uh, physiochemical behavior. We are relying our expertise in uh, in in interoperable machine learning models to develop tools to aid drug discovery and lead optimization that provide justification for such predictions. Uh, that's all about my topic. Thank you.